Hi, in this tutorial we're going to go over the countif function. So if we want to know how many times rock appears in this column, we can do a count by going equals countif, we'll take the range, comma, quote, rock, close the parentheses. And then it shows it appears 48 times in there. We can check that by putting a filter on. Shift and down and highlight all of them, and it counts 48. You can see it counts 48 down here. So that's how to create a countif function, and this is one that you can get creative with, and I'll go over that in another video. So thank you for watching.